I talk say I go show now how they take do to buy domain name for Nigerian hosting company, and I will use Hostnownow. Now Hostnownow I will use do that one, so that we will also see say no be only foreign company, Nigerian company to feed do. So what could do Hostnownow. When we enter hosting companies, we go open hosting where you will see different hosting companies. I know so many people will get question. Una fit wait. So now for Hostnownow, you see domain for here. And as you carry our cursor, our hand, you carry on top and you see registration and transfer. If you click registration, it won't show you this information. Tell you say register your domain name below. What domain name would you like to have? So again, we could use realzone. So you don't put .ng. If I click this one, I see there's so many other one day. I zoom in. I click and see there's so many other one day. We get ng, we get .com, .ng, .net, .net.ng, .name, .name.ng, .edu.ng, .gov.ng, the plenty. So because this one is there more of Nigerian space. So if I choose realzone.com now, we put .ng, we put get now. No wait. I don't zoom, so now I make it big like this. So as we click on now, it is search to see say whether it is available. It brings result of say realzone.com person don't buy it. Person don't already buy one land. So this land no they available. I say, yeah, which land I will find now? The guy comes talk say, no, some other small land fit deal where you fit try. We get .org, but no be the way you put the realzone. The realzone now don't change. There plenty. Very different option way they. We get this one now where they say .sale. Meanwhile, make I change this thing to Naira because we they see dollar everywhere. If I say the thing one do make I go realzone.com. We'll leave them for here. We'll leave them for Naira. So you see say .com.ng they are available for 9,000 Naira for 1 year. They not to give us good information about the whole thing, but maybe if you continue, you go see how much for renewal. But for now, na 9,000 Naira. And you see say so many other things there. Anyone we want to choose, if you still choose, who be able to meta realzone.org at 25,000 Naira. Okay, so we'll put them for cat. What we'll put them for cat now, you see the thing show checkout. If you go checkout, more of view cart. If you enter view cart, you will see the information with the available. So the information is very simple. We get 9,000 Naira. We get VAT, which is Nigerian tax, at 7.5%, which is giving us 675 Naira. So you go add on to this one, giving you a total of 9,675 Naira for this domain name for 1 year. She won't see now for 1 year. Make I zoom in where anyway, for 1 year. So when we click on it, if we put 2 years now, it's saying 18,000 Naira they put. As you add value added tax, it don't enter 19,350. So you feel go check out or continue shopping. So that one day as bonus.